Take a look at this 1957 Ford Ranchero with the patina look. This truck actually spent the majority of its life in Texas, hence kind of that baked top side and the aged original looking paint down on the sides of it. Don't let the looks fool you on this one though. It has had quite a bit of work done to it in the last 4 to 5 years, including a 302 that was installed in it. It had about 38,000 miles on it when it was installed. And that was installed 4 years ago. Has had a lot of upgrades on shocks, bushings, suspension, steering, that type of stuff. I'm going to take a picture of the list of things that have been done to this kind of in the last 4 to 5 years, and I'll list that picture on our website with the rest of the still pictures of this car, which will be at uniqueclassiccars.com. So you'll be able to check out the engine bay, the undersides, the interior. Check those all out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Has had some reupholstery done in the inside in the last 4 to 5 years also. But yeah, a lot of, radiator, water pump, that type of thing. Gentleman that has this car has been driving it the last 4 to 5 summers. Kind of going for that little bit of rat rod look, but goes to the local cruise-ins and has put some miles on it. So don't let the looks of this one fool you. It is a driver. I'm going to show you something too on this driver's door, passenger's door, to give you an idea. Look at how nice that door fits. Watch how this opens and closes. You'll also notice on the inside here a second, new gaskets, something else that was done on this. But just take a look at how this door closes. Hear that? I mean, it looks like it's got that patina and baked rusty look. I tell you what, not a bad little Ranchero. You can see above the wheel wells over here, still solid. Being as this wasn't a Minnesota truck, if this was a Minnesota truck, there won't be a whole lot left of it. A little bit on the other side above the wheel well where it's rusted. If you'd like to check out the underside looks pretty darn good too. You can check out any of the still pics, again, the engine bay, the undersides, interior. Check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. There's a little spot where it has gotten through above that fender. So I mean, if you're looking for a kind of solid body to take to the next level, or if you just want to drive one the way it is, you like kind of that rat rod look or the patina look, make a nice truck for you. Take a look at how this door fits over here too. It's not one that's been all cobbled together. It was a nice solid body to start with. Again, the rubber moldings around the door have been replaced on that side too. Obviously, we've got a little cracked side window. Side window glass, pretty inexpensive to replace if you wanted to. Again, or if you're going for that look. Here's the interior that was installed in it. Again, approximately 4 or 5 years ago, the seats were reupholstered and just kind of went with a green metallic to kind of match the outside, not get too crazy fancy, but give it a good look with the age of the truck. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See how nicely it starts and runs, that 302 in there. I'm also going to come over here and show you, it does have a aftermarket stereo. It's added with speakers behind the seats, a little amp. So it has some nice tunes in here. There's an aftermarket set of gauges that do work down here also. Monitor that engine. And why not have a hula skirt girl on the dash? Blinkers. Everything seems to work when I was in here playing around with it earlier. That 302 is obviously paired with the automatic transmission. See how nicely that door closes there too. Slip around to the back. A little rumble out of that 302. Come around to the front too, you can hear how smooth this thing runs. Or you can't hear how smooth it runs, maybe is the words to use. Yes. Very nice sounding 302 under the hood. So give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or again, feel free to check out the Underside pics. Check out that list of things that have been done to this car in the last 4 to 5 years. All those still pictures will be at uniqueclassiccars.com.